Hi guys, in this video, we're going to show you how you can connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets in a matter of just a few minutes. So you've set up your Facebook lead ads and want to automatically record these leads on a Google Sheet and create other marketing or drip workflows on top of these leads. Now doing that manually for every lead can be quite a task. That's where Automate.io comes in. So let's dive into how you can use Automate.io to automatically create new rows with lead data whenever you acquire a new lead in Facebook lead ads. So to begin, we'll click on Create a Bot. Then we will name our bot Push New Facebook Leads as Rows on Google Sheets. That way we know exactly what this bot is for. Next, we will select a trigger app. The trigger app is used to define when your automation should start. In our case, we want the automation to start when we get a new lead from Facebook lead ads. So we will select Facebook lead ads as our trigger app and authorize our account. As part of the authorization process, you will select the Facebook page you want to manage. And here is our example page, Marketing Mangoes. Next, you will select New Lead as the trigger. Then you will move down and define your input fields below. This is where you will select the Facebook page, and here is our example, Marketing Mangoes. And then you will select your specific Facebook lead ad form, whose leads you want to send to your Google Sheet. And here is our example, E-commerce Automation Guide. Once you select your specific lead ad form, the fields you've created in that form on Facebook will be reflected here, and you can choose the data that you wish to send to your Google Sheets from these. Now let's move on to our Action app. The Action app defines what should happen in the workflow. In our case, we want to push our lead ads to rows in Google Sheets. So you will select Google Sheets as your Action app and authorize your account. Next, you will choose the action you want the bot to perform when you get a new lead from Facebook. In this case, our action will be to add a row. Now that you have authorized your Action app and specified its action, the next step will be to move down and select where the action will take place by selecting our spreadsheet. And here is our example spreadsheet, Marketing Mangoes Facebook Leads. Then you will specify which worksheet that you wish to send these leads to, and here is our example, ebook leads. Once you select the worksheet, you can see all the fields that you have on that sheet right down here. One thing to note while setting up your Google Sheets is to fill in the first row with column headers, and the second with some dummy data. This is to ensure that the bot doesn't encounter an error. Now, drag and drop the lead ad form data, the output field data right here, into the specific worksheet data fields like this. You're done with your bot setup now, so let's move on and test it out. After you click on the Save button, please turn on your bot. You can see the options to test this bot by either creating a new lead or running it with sample data. Let's try generating a new lead in Facebook lead ads and see how this works. And here's how you'll do it. Under Publishing Tools of your Facebook page, go to the Forms library. You can see your form right here. Hit Preview and enter in some sample data like this. Now, move back to the dashboard of Automate.io and click I'm done, run the test. Next, move to your Google Sheet and see the sample data being populated just like this. That's it. It's as easy as this to pull in all of your Facebook leads data right onto a Google Sheet. Any questions? We're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly on help@automate.io. Thank you for watching this tutorial.